Welcome to Lazydays, the RV Authority. Today we're going to be touring the 2014 Cedar Creek Cottage. Here in the kitchen we have a residential refrigerator. We also have the convection microwave oven, 3-burner stove, dishwasher which is stainless steel, Corian countertop which is an island kitchen, plenty of storage here in the kitchen as well. Here in the living room it features a large flat screen TV, an entertainment system, a fireplace, a nice leather sofa, 2 Lazy Boy recliner chairs, freestanding dinette as well. Here in the bathroom, solid surface counter, large step-in shower with bench seat, porcelain toilet. Here in the bedroom we have a flat screen TV, large spacious closet. It also features washer dryer prep, king size bed as well. The exterior features a detachable hitch, a Pearl Edition fiberglass exterior, a sliding glass door, and a separate entrance door. Thank you for touring the 2014 Cedar Creek Cottage. If you should have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at Lazydays.